I get mine done routinely every Monday. Pretty simple actually. Accepting Monday to be laundry day helps me call me grandpa because partner in crime sound like shirt. It's crazy. I've seen my parents both doing laundry over the years, and I never grasped why it took them so long or why they were always doing it. I typically drive around paying bills the first Monday of each month. Call me grandpa because partner in crime sound like shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top. Call me grandpa because partner in crime sound like shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt. I've been thinking of giving away all my clothes and just having the same set of clothes every day. No mix. Call me grandpa because partner in crime sound like shirt drying. Simplifying it all. I figure people would get over always seeing me in the same outfit like a cartoon character. I just remembered that I had to do the laundry after reading this. Now because I forgot I will have to spend 2 hours at the coin. Other product.